Newfoundland is a place of dramatic beauty. Rugged coastlines meet the vast Atlantic Ocean. Inland, boreal forests and peat bogs are home to a rich array of life. The island has a unique natural heritage, shaped by its isolation and harsh climate. Today, Newfoundland faces a crucial decision. The push for renewable energy has brought wind energy to the forefront. While the need for clean energy is undeniable, we must carefully consider the potential consequences of wind turbine installations. The allure of wind energy is strong, promising a cleaner future, but we must not rush into large-scale developments without fully understanding the potential impacts. The very character of Newfoundland, its wild beauty and its unique ecosystems hang in the balance. The choices made today will resonate for generations to come. We must proceed with caution, ensuring that the pursuit of clean energy does not come at the expense of the island's irreplaceable natural heritage. Newfoundland's isolation has fostered a remarkable diversity of life. Many species found on the island are found nowhere else in the world. This biological richness is a testament to the island's ecological integrity, a delicate balance honed over millennia. Among its treasures are parasite-free pollinators. These insects play a vital role in the health of ecosystems, ensuring the reproduction of plants. Newfoundland's unique environment has allowed them to thrive without the burden of parasites that plague all parts of the world except Australia and New Zealand. The island's west coast forests are home to the elusive Newfoundland Pine Marten, a small and agile predator. Woodland caribou roam the interior and the south coast, their large hooves adapted to navigate the challenging terrain. Moose, the largest members of the deer family, spread all over the island, browse on the abundant vegetation. These creatures, and countless others, rely on the intricate web of life that defines Newfoundland's ecosystems. The interconnectedness of these relationships is what makes the island's biodiversity so precious and so vulnerable. Land-based wind turbines cast a long shadow, literally and figuratively. The construction of wind farms requires clearing vast tracts of land, destroying critical habitat for a wide range of species. Roads and infrastructure fragment the landscape, disrupting the natural movements of animals. The loss of habitat is a primary driver of biodiversity loss worldwide. Newfoundland's ecosystems are particularly vulnerable due to their isolation and the specialized adaptations of many species. Once lost, these habitats and the unique species they support may never recover. Forests play a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate by absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Clearing forests for wind energy development releases this stored carbon, contributing to climate change. The irony is stark. A technology intended to combat climate change could inadvertently exacerbate the problem. The pursuit of clean energy must not come at the expense of the very ecosystems that sustain us. A balanced approach is essential, one that considers the full environmental costs and benefits of wind energy development on land. The ocean surrounding Newfoundland teems with life. Whales migrate through these waters, drawn by the abundance of food. Seabirds congregate in vast colonies, their calls echoing across the waves. Offshore wind turbines pose a significant threat to this delicate ecosystem. Turbine noise disrupts marine mammals' communication and navigation. Construction can damage sensitive seabed habitats. Seabirds risk colliding with turbine blades. Flashing lights disorient birds, leading to collisions. The ocean is a vibrant, interconnected ecosystem. Developing wind energy demands careful consideration of marine life. We must prioritize the ocean's health, recognizing its vital role. Section 5. The economic price of wind energy. Newfoundland's economy is intricately linked to its natural beauty. Tourism plays a vital role, drawing visitors from around the world to experience the island's rugged coastlines, pristine forests, and abundant wildlife. Outdoor recreation, from hiking and camping to fishing and whale watching, is a way of life for many residents. Large-scale wind energy developments threaten these economic drivers. The visual impact of wind turbines can diminish the aesthetic appeal of natural landscapes, deterring tourists seeking pristine wilderness experiences. The noise and habitat fragmentation associated with wind farms can degrade the recreational value of natural areas. The potential economic losses extend beyond tourism and recreation. The fishing industry, a cornerstone of Newfoundland's economy, could be impacted by offshore wind farms. The livelihoods of those who depend on the ocean are at stake. The pursuit of clean energy must not come at the cost of the industries that sustain Newfoundland's communities. A comprehensive assessment of the potential economic impacts is essential for making informed decisions about wind energy development. Section 6. Geographic constraints amplifying the risks. Newfoundland's unique geography amplifies the risks associated with wind energy development. The island's rugged terrain and limited road access make it challenging and costly to develop wind energy projects in environmentally responsible ways. The construction of access roads and transmission lines can lead to further habitat fragmentation and degradation. The island's harsh weather conditions, including high winds, heavy snowfall and icing events, pose significant challenges for the operation and maintenance of wind turbines. These conditions can lead to increased downtime, reduced energy output and a higher risk of accidents. Newfoundland's coastal communities are particularly vulnerable to the impacts of sea level rise and coastal erosion, both of which are exacerbated by climate change. Developing wind energy projects in these areas could further increase the risks to infrastructure and human safety. The geographic realities of Newfoundland demand a nuanced approach to wind energy development. A one-size-fits-all solution will not suffice. Solutions must be tailored to the specific ecological, social and economic context of each region. Section 7. Balancing progress with preservation. The need for clean energy is undeniable. Climate change is a pressing global topic, but the transition to a sustainable future must not come at the expense of the natural world. We must balance progress with preservation, ensuring future generations inherit a habitable and beautiful planet. Newfoundland can lead in responsible energy development. By prioritizing ecosystem protection, the island can be a model for others. This requires a shift in perspective. We must embrace a holistic approach, recognizing the interconnectedness of all living things. The choices we make today will determine Newfoundland's future. Let us choose wisely, ensuring clean energy doesn't cost what makes this island special. Section 8. A call for sustainable solutions. As we navigate the complexities of climate change and the urgent need for clean energy, it is imperative that we seek sustainable solutions. These solutions must address our energy needs and safeguard our planet's health. Newfoundland's unique ecosystems demand a cautious approach to wind energy. Large-scale projects carry risks that must be evaluated extensively and robustly. There is no return from these decisions. Alternatives like energy efficiency, distributed generation, solar and tidal power should be prioritized. These alternatives minimize environmental impact. The transition to a sustainable future requires innovation and collaboration. It is time to embrace a holistic approach to energy planning, one that considers the long-term health of our planet and all life on Earth. Section 9. Our shared responsibility. The future of Newfoundland's environment is not predetermined. It is a future that we are actively shaping through our actions and our choices. We all have a role to play in ensuring that the island's unique ecosystems and rich biodiversity are protected for generations to come. Citizen engagement is crucial. We must stay informed about proposed wind energy projects, ask critical questions and make our voices heard in the decision-making process. We must hold our elected officials accountable for making decisions that prioritize the long-term health of our planet. Let us remember that we are not separate from nature, but a part of it. Our well-being is inextricably linked to the health of the ecosystems that sustain us. By working together, we can create a future for Newfoundland where both people and nature can thrive. The time for action is now. Let us embrace our shared responsibility to protect this remarkable island and ensure that its wild beauty continues to inspire awe and wonder for generations to come.